Now that we've logged into the HostGator control panel, this is where we're going to install WordPress. So to do that, you just want to scroll down to where you see the heading software/services. Then underneath that, you just want to click here where it says quick install. That's going to bring you to this page here, and on the left hand side you just want to click where it says WordPress. Then just scroll down and click here where it says install WordPress. Now you just want to choose your domain name from this drop down box here. You should only have one at the moment, but if you have more than one, choose the one you're wanting to work with. Then in the box beside where it says install path here, you just want to leave this blank. Then underneath, just enter the email address you'd like to have associated with your website. So for me, that's marty@letsbuildwp.com. Then in the box where it says blog title, this is literally just your website name. So I'm just going to write small business. Then underneath, admin user, this is what you'd like to use as your admin username. So you can type your first name or the word admin or whatever you want really. Just note that in some themes, the admin username will actually show up under certain posts and pages. Then just enter your first name and last name, which is pretty self-explanatory. Dread isn't my real last name, by the way, it's just the one I use in videos. Then once you've filled out all your information, just click underneath where it says install WordPress. WordPress installs pretty quickly, and as you can see here at the top, it will say your install is complete. Click here to view your notifications. So just click the arrow beside where it says view credentials, and this will give you the link to your website's admin area, your username and your password. So you just want to click the link here where it says admin area, and that's going to bring you to the WordPress login screen. Then you just want to do the same thing as before with the cPanel login screen and copy and paste your username and password. And then click login. So that's us now logged into WordPress for the first time, and this is what's known as the WordPress dashboard. The first thing I like to do after installing WordPress is change my password, because it's very unlikely that I'm ever going to remember this one. So to change your password, from the dashboard on the left hand side, you just want to click where it says users, and then hover your mouse over the username you just created. Then when it appears, click edit, and scroll down to the bottom. Here you'll find two boxes, new password and repeat new password. Just type whatever you'd like to make your new password in here. Then repeat it in the box below and click update profile. Now next time you go to log into your WordPress website, you don't need to remember this one. It's the password you just created. To get back to the page we were on before this, you just need to click where it says dashboard in the top left menu. The next thing I like to do after changing my password is change what's known as the permalinks. You don't really need to know too much about this, but what it really means is when someone visits a page or post on your website, it will say the page or post name in the URL after the .com or .co.uk or whatever you have. So for example, if someone was to visit a page on my website called About Us, the URL would read martysmallbusiness.com/about us. If we don't update the permalinks, what will happen is someone will visit that same page and it will say martysmallbusiness.com/ and then a bunch of random letters and numbers. So to update the permalinks to show the page or post name, we just need to click on the left hand side where it says settings, and then underneath click permalinks. You'll probably find by default it has day and name selected. You just want to select post name instead and then click save changes. Once the permalinks have been saved, you can just click where it says dashboard on the top left, and that's going to bring us back to the page we were on before.